Good morning everybody, it's username Kate, welcome back to the channel. Today is the last riding day, a very sad day, where we head to the ferry. So if you want to come along with us for that, then keep watching.
Don't worry. Why does it need to go all the way down there?
Are you ready? Yes, Jade. And the day begins. Not a crazy slope of death. It's all clear for you, G. Wow. Oh, the cows. Low gear, back brake, G. Oh. It's all clear, all clear, all clear, G. All clear. I need to lie down. Gee, you crack me up. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this sun. The sunrise is gorgeous. How stunning. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I like this tarmac. Alright. What a vibe. Tarmac transition. Ooh. I've got the brisk, fresh morning air smacking my face and I love it. Yeah, this is cute. This is cute. Not cute, magical. Wow. Ah, cold cloud. Oh, this is beautiful though. This is so stunning. Oh wow, I can't even see anything. Yeah, it is when you can see. Wow, it's dense. It's thick. 4 C's. I think we've got to speak to a human. Girls, we're at the ferry. I don't want to go back. Jade, are you going to get searched?
Probably.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think you might have to come here though.
Have you got the cake ready?
No.
Are they all going to
Yeah,
sit down?
oh, they might.
Yeah.
Well, it's going to have to be the front because of the stickiness. Yep. Gracias! 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 Oh yeah, it's passport control. Hola! I wonder what you're doing, Jade. was like, there is a man there. Not a senor. Not a freaking senor. Jade, there's too many senors. Hola. Gracias. Oh, hang on. Adios, amigo. To the left, to the left. Right, where do we go? Gracias. Whoa, that's well cool. I love that. Gracias. Yeah, overtake. Come on, it'll be 7 years. Respectfully. Man's tired, he's done 3 months already. Oh, it's like vibrating like mad when you use your back brake. Gracias. Oh, the stench is pungent. Oh, could I go here because I've cut it short so you can go behind me because you're less wide? Okay, that made sense in my brain.
You are?
Pop
Oh
it in.
yeah. Sorry.
Why are you girls actual fashion icons?
Best game, you can get it on my Amazon link.
You plug it clean.
You were banned.
I'm not
Banned from Amazon for cheating
only
the
from using it
system.
myself for cashback reasons.
Are you ready? Oh,
outside?
not the dreaded side entrance. Oh no.
You ready?
Oh no.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Oh, it's mild. It's
Too
tame.
bad.
Oh, it's warm.
It's warm.
It's warm.
We're in Espanol.
Espanol.
It's not actually that warm.
It's warmer than I thought it would be.
Oh, it
It's
stinks.
sunbathing weather though.
Yeah, we get
There's no sun. Why are we going back? You came out of it. It's sunbathing.
It is snack time on this ridiculously long ferry.
Oh no, she's cool.
Are you called Jade?
I know how you called.
I know.
My senor.
Also, vegan ice cream. I actually prefer it to normal ice cream. Never thought I'd say it, but it's true. I just want a whole vat of this to devour.
So I'm going to collect rent.
No,
Yeah.
I don't want to give you rent.
Yeah, from each player as
Oh,
well.
no.
It's only 4. I need 4.
Cough up.
From everyone.
Oh, yeah.
So you need 4 from me.
Yeah, man. Oh, thank you. Spondoolies.
Sorry. Not sorry. Right, it's ferry food time. Gee, what have you gone for?
To make a change, I've gone for the vegan bolognese with pasta and ketchup.
Ketchup. Absolute travesty. Jade, what have you gone for?
I've gone for rice,
Yeah.
bolognese.
Give it a spin.
Oh, and vegetables.
Yum.
Gotta get you 5 a day.
And then I've gone for the same, but I've put some cheese on there. Love that for us. And an orangina. Right.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetito. Wait,
No,
no.
that's Italian.
Oh,
Oh, I'm supposed to.
cheers.
Cheers.
Yes. Oh.
That was weird. Love you, bye. Right guys, well it is the morning and we spent 27 hours on the ferry. Our time was occupied by playing games and copious amounts of vegan Ben & Jerry's. It was ace. And we are about, there's Georgia and Jade, we're about to get off the ferry at Rosslare. Then we've got about 5 hours to kill in Ireland before we head to Fishguard, where we will land at 11 p.m. at night. Then we've got a hotel booked so that we can get up fresh in the morning, ready for our 5-hour trip home. So that is the plan, Stan. Right, time to disembark. We're good. We're just slow, I'm sorry. Yeah. Well, girls, we made it to Ireland. It's sunny, what the heck? Oh, but it's windy. It's not boding well, is it? Passport. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Perfect. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Do you want the passport? Three amigos. Do you want my passport? No, thank you. Why is this car up your ass, Georgia? Would you like to go in front of me? Port exit. That's a good sign. Oh, what a day, girls! What a day! We're off the ferry. We're off. I should probably put my gloves on. I'm being a very bad example to the Oh, did you see the cloud just blast us into shadow? Oh my god, we're back again. In 200 meters. Oh, it's there. Is it? Do we go past it or just here? Left here. All right. But it says private parking. There is a motorbike there. Oh, Crown Bar right there, so yeah, I think we're in the right place. And we're on a nice hill so we can roll backwards. It's in our favour, isn't it? I'm sure they'll tell us to move if we need to move, but let's get some grub.
Oh yeah.
Get in my belly.
Where's it?
Oh. Oh.
I'm a shy deer in the headlights. She's coming over and I'm just standing there like it's like a riptide on the inside. Keep it together, man, you could drown in those blue eyes. She said, hey you, isn't it funny how we always seem to meet at every place in town? Yeah, I must be lucky. I reply, you can't take me high.
How are you? Oh, do you just need the number plate?
Your surname or number?
Oh, Ralph. R-A-L-P-H. Yeah.
Kate?
That's the one.
Of lane 9.
Lane 9. Thank you so much. Okay, let me just put this away, girls. One sec. Ah.
It's a small world in a big town. What are the odds I get to talk to you right now? Yeah. Give me bad lines, give me butterflies, give me anything, 'cause I'm down for you right now. Yeah. I said, hey you, if I'm being honest, I've been stalking you a bit, hoping you'd see me, and maybe you wanted to give this one a try and take me high. Maybe I just wanna see ya. I'll go anywhere if you be there. It feels like I can fly. Think I'm gonna break the ceiling. I just wanna keep this feeling. It's intensity, babe.
Sorry, I'm as wide as a barge. Oh, we can go? Thank you, gracias. Where do you want us? Thank you. Yeah, sorry.
Where are you heading to?
Heading to Fishguard.
Definitely Fishguard. Are the trees together?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, that's great. Yeah, that's okay. Just need to make sure. Alright, straight around the shit then.
perfect.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Wait here.
Okay.
Thank you.
He wants us to wait here, girls. That's out. Thank you.
Just back to touch. Yeah, that's perfect, eh?
Super. Thank you very much.
Terrible.
Land sickness takes over every day.
That was a beautiful rendition of Land Sickness by Jade.
No copyright infringement on that one.
Well, our trip ends here, girls.
Yeah.
No! No! So we had a 27-hour ferry back yesterday from Bilbao to Rosslare. Then we had a few hours to kill in Rosslare, where we went to the Crown Bar. We
In
got
Wexford.
some in Wexford. We got some grub. We met up with your friend.
Yeah.
So that was really nice. And then we got on the ferry
Again.
again
Another one.
for a cheeky little 3.5 hours.
3.5
Yeah.
hours in.
Of which
Well, it
Jade
didn't for
slept
me.
for like 2.5 of those hours.
I was dead. I still am. I'm wiped out.
And then we got to Fishguard. We travelled 3 minutes by bike to the Rose and Crown, restaurant, coffee house and B&B. So that was a nice sleep.
Yeah, like midnight, wasn't it?
Yeah, we got there about midnight. It was pleasant. Had some breakfast this morning. And now we head back home. We all split off on our respective directions. Is that right? Did it
Yeah,
English
yeah.
right?
But we're going via some nice places.
Yes.
We are. So we're going to go to Crossgates, is it?
Crossgates to Newtown, and then we're going to say goodbye, aren't we?
Yes, because the Crossgates to Newtown Road. Beautiful, baby.
beautiful.
Beautiful. So,
If the rain holds off.
Yeah.
yes, that's very true. So we hope you've enjoyed this little series and that you've enjoyed coming along with us. We can't wait to plan more adventures and trips. And yeah, thanks for watching and coming along with us. Goodbye.
Bye.